you listening to? I have to tell you. What's up, everybody? I'm going to show you about this, our kids' buggy, some of the mods we've done to it, and some of the trips, riding footage we've got with it, and just show you about this Trailmaster 300, see if you like it, see if you think this GY6 is right for you. Stick around and see how fast this thing goes. Texas Trailmaster, America edition. Woo! And Blake, he's the fastest dude in Texas. It wouldn't really be fair if I let him drive.
Yeah.
Plus, he's been throwing it back them Steve Weisers, and he's quite a few.
Well, I haven't done a dyno since I've gained a couple inches on the mullet.
If he can skip when he jumps out and not knock his teeth out, then we are doing less than 40.
Yeah.
Or break it in the beginning. See how quick she tops out, boys. We've achieved top speed in like 1.5 seconds. This is still in the... Fuck yeah! Top speed run, boys. We got the downhill now. Mach 9. Ripping it, boys. We're looking for the torque. We want some torque on that thing. We're not trying to... In the woods with the kid, when are they going to go 40 miles an hour? I want them to be able to spin the tires a little bit. So, excuse me for sacrificing the top speed. Look at that 40. Is really coming in. That inch-and-a-half lift is really coming in big right now. What, you getting wet, girl?
No.
Falling out? Look at this flex here. Boom. It's got some mad flex too for a Trailmaster. Running the low pressure tires so they widen out on everything real nice. Too long I used to drag that on everything. Look at that little hill. Look at that little ditty. Hold on, Rick. No run, guys. That ain't even made to go. You're not even supposed to go that way. Even this thing's hauling lumber. Got these lifts.
The one that guy's picking up?
We'll put them right there. All right.
So.
Let me tell you something about clutch rollers. I played with them. We ended up settling on 12 and 13s because I tried 11 and 12s, tried 10s and 11s. I swear at one point the thing would go like 6 miles an hour. It had less torque. So I really did I didn't mod the clutch, boys. I tuned the clutch. That's the difference. So we matched up a couple that were the same as the stock ones, and then we trickled in some that were a lot lighter. People, they'll bullshit you now. They'll tell you, oh, the lighter, the more torque. Oh, you put the lighter rollers in there? Go, dude, go with 10s. Whatever. And I'll be honest with you. I tried that shit. And the cart's so heavy it won't go nowhere. Good job. Good job, buddy. replace the tires with some mud lights, or you know, something similar, front and back. That was very important. The stock tires are trash. Jetted the carb, oversized carb, and are running a open filter, and it runs really good, but it can get, I haven't had splash troubles riding it, but that could happen. Got the 2.5-inch spacers on both sides to widen out the back. My kids have tipped it over. Has a full exhaust on it. We modded the clutch and the rollers and the springs, and we modded the front sprockets a 10 instead of a 12. It's got some Boss speakers in there and a Boss amp. We went ahead and threw the light bar on it, and I switched it to the high beams. So the lights that come on it, you can barely see them glowing on my sprayer right there. They're really shitty. Headlights on the front, which you can't tell right now. They're not bald, it's just really muddy. We lifted the front end. There's a lift bracket we got right there. So it does sit a little, it does sit up taller. 135, almost 136 miles on it. It's the coldest day we've had all year. We made this roof out of a piece of alu panel. My wife made the graphics for it because we weren't really wanting to support the wicked Trailmaster graphics. See if it's in neutral. Give her a little rev for you. No bog or anything, that's good. Let's see here. Lose a little top speed with the clutch mods and the sprocket, but it'll pull 4 people up a hill a hell of a lot better now than it would factory. It'll actually carry 4 adults. When it was stock, it would do probably 15 miles an hour faster, but you would never get to top speed. Now it probably only goes 25, 30 miles an hour, but it'll sling you around a little bit. Spin the tires, do a donut, climb a hill. So them stock tires were a joke. You had to run at everything. Get stuck in reverse every time. I got a winch for it, but I ain't put it on yet because honestly, once we put those tires on it, I haven't even got it. The kids haven't got it stuck. I haven't got it stuck. Come here. What's this? That was on your lips right now. You just had that on your face. You bad girl. Sit down. Bad girl, why you do that? Rolo, no. I'm very pissed off at you. What is this? The freaking 3 freaking daggone duck feathers.